let's look into our sort of main topic for today, which is on our three types of graph. One type of basically at a single type of question or single type of picture will be graphs. Okay, so গ্রাফের মধ্যে তোমাদেরকে জাস্ট গ্রাফটা দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে, you guys might get like just one graph, or you might get 2-3 graphs, or you can also get like two different types of graphs together. Okay, ধরো একটা পাই গ্রাফের সাথে একটা বার গ্রাফ, অথবা একটা লাইন গ্রাফের সাথে একটা টেবল. Okay, so you might get um some of those graphs together. Okay, but most of the time দেখা যায় একটু ইজি করে যদি কোয়েশ্চেন পাও তাহলে তোমরা হয়তো একটা গ্রাফই পেয়ে থাকতে পারো. হার্ডার কোয়েশ্চেন এর জন্য they have like multiple graphs, and but the thing is that each of the pictures category কিন্তু সেম থাকবে. তোমাদের let's say the category, তোমাদের যদি একটা বার পাই গ্রাফ থাকে and then একটা বার গ্রাফ থাকে, and এখানের মধ্যে যদি দেখা যায় that what do teenagers spend their time on, এখানে যদি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া থাকে, এখানেও সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া থাকবে. It's just that different information, মানে সেম ইনফরমেশনই ওরা different pictures use করে represent করতেছে, and all you just have to do is do the comparison. Okay, so that is a short idea about graphs. Now, can you guys tell me what three types of graph? I have mentioned this a few times. What are the three types of graph that are on task one, or that you might see on task one? Okay, bar, pie, and line. Yes, bar, pie, and line. Okay, what is a bar graph, or what do we usually see in a bar graph? Can you guys tell me? Having bars which show like recent or past data. Yep. Yes, correct. Yes, Rimi, you are also correct. Bars which show recent or past data fluctuations. Bars that show recent slash past data. Okay, এখন তোমাদের বার গ্রাফ গুলো হয়তো একটা বার থাকতে পারে, or they can sometimes be bars like this, or they could also be bars that have 3 bars together. Okay, so একটা বার থাকতে পারে, দুইটা বার থাকতে পারে, তিনটা বার থাকতে পারে. এখন তোমাদের কাজ হচ্ছে যে not to just compare this bar to this bar, but to also compare একটা বারের ক্যাটাগরিকে আরেকটা বারের ক্যাটাগরির সাথে. Okay, what I mean by that, we will see it in an example. Okay, next হচ্ছে pie chart. How do we usually see a pie chart? বা pie chartটা দেখতে কিরকম? Goal. Yes, correct. Goal. Okay, pie charts are circular, of course, and they have divisions. Okay, এরকম করে divide করা থাকে. Yes, I do it already. And pie chart এর মধ্যে most of the time তোমরা percentage দেওয়া থাকবে. Each of them are going to be represented using a percentage, and পুরো একটা পাইকে ওরা basically mean করে 100%. Okay, a whole pie is 100%, and then প্রত্যেকটা পাইকে ডিভাইড করা হবে, and ওই ডিভিশন গুলো কত পার্সেন্টেজ ওগুলো তোমাদেরকে ওরা অলরেডি বলে দিবে. Okay, now sometimes what you can do is in your essay, instead of mentioning percentages, you can mention them in fractions. ঠিক আছে, যেরকম for example, let's say that okay, let's say that এই যে পাই পিসটা আছে বা স্লাইসটা আছে, এটা ওরা বললো 25%. Okay. Now, when we say 25% in fraction, we mean 1/4. Okay. We mean 1/4, or we might mean quarter of a whole, right? So we can also use either 1/4 or we can use quarter in our essay instead of just saying 25%. ঠিক আছে? এভাবে করে you can actually kind of show that your vocabulary range is very high. তুমি just typical percentage mention করছো না, but you're also mentioning them in percent, like using fractions. এখন তোমরা যদি না জেনে থাকো what the percentages might mean, যেরকম মাঝে মাঝে there might be percentages like 19 or 16 or something like that, very random percentages দেওয়া থাকতে পারে, ওগুলোর হয়তো fractional parts তোমরা নাও জানতে পারো. So that's completely all right. If you don't know the fraction parts, তখন you don't have to write in fractional parts. But clearly যদি বোঝা যায় and clearly যদি তুমি জেনে থাকো, তাহলে you can definitely use fractional vocabularies or fraction related vocabulary for your pie chart related essays. Okay. And then line graph এর মধ্যে is the same thing. Lines that show recent অথবা past data. Okay. And these line graphs, they will usually, most of the time, there is going to be, like, let's say, দুইটা কি তিনটা লাইন দেওয়া থাকবে. Usually one line কখনো দেওয়া থাকে না, because the purpose of the pictures is that they want you to compare information or compare data, right? So যখন data compare করতে হবে, ওটার কারণে তোমাদের কখনো just একটা লাইন থাকবে না, usually দুইটা বা তিনটা লাইন থাকবে, 2 to 3 or maybe even 4 lines in line graph. And what I mean by lines is these. Okay, so এরকম একটা দুইটা অথবা তিনটা এরকম করে লাইন দেওয়া থাকবে. All right, so those are the 3 types of graphs. Any question? Anybody? No. All right, great, perfect. Then let's move on to our first prompt example. Okay, this is a bar graph here which shows the population distribution of 2 countries, UK and Australia. Okay, the chart below shows the distribution of populations in the UK and Australia by age group in 2000s. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to write me an introduction paragraph. আমি তোমাদেরকে 5 মিনিট দিব, এই 5 মিনিটের মধ্যে তোমরা আমাকে একটা short introduction paragraph লিখবে. Once again, remember, introduction paragraphs need to be just 1 to 2 sentences long, so they shouldn't be that long, and you can paraphrase the prompt over here. Okay, so আমরা, what is going to happen is that আমি প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাসে I will make you guys practice different type of paragraphs. So আজকের ক্লাসে you're going to mainly focus on writing introduction paragraph. Next class, we're going to focus on writing overview paragraphs. Tarporer class, we're going to focus on writing body paragraphs. So that's how it's going to work. Okay, so a class এর জন্য আমি চাই তোমরা আমাকে একটা introduction paragraph লেখো on this particular bar graph prompt. I'll give you your 5 minutes. We will come back around, let's see, okay, we will come back around 11:15. Okay, 11:15 we will come back to discuss the bar graph introduction paragraph. Okay. Okay, so I see that many of you have started sending in your introduction paragraphs, which is great. Okay, so let's review some of these together. Okay, first one, the bar chart demonstrates the 4 types of age difference of populations in the year 2000 between 2 countries, UK and Australia. Okay, all right, that is a good one. Okay, next, Joy, the bar chart indicate the distribution of population by age group in the UK and Australia in 2000. It compares the percentages people in different age grade in both countries. Okay, age grade is a bit of a, how do I say, an awkward vocabulary here. So you could say like age group, or maybe age brackets. Okay, that is also another good word. Okay, all right. Next, Aisha, the bar chart illustrates the inhabitants distribution between two countries, UK and Australia, by age bracket in 2000. Yes, that is a good introduction paragraph, Aisha. However, তোমার সেন্টেন্সের শুরুটাতে the the টা should be capitalized. UK, UK, and Australia A should also be capitalized. Once again, since this is a writing class, right? I want you guys to use proper grammar rules. Okay, I will be looking into grammar. I will be looking into spelling. I know it's a bit annoying, like আমরা তো শুধু ক্লাসে প্র্যাকটিস করতেছি আপু দরকার নেই, but it's good to get into the habit of um, you know using proper grammar. Okay, all right. The illustration represents the population distribution of UK versus Australia. 6 to 10% of 0 to 14-year-old, 1 to 4% of and years old respectively in the year 2000. Okay, all right. Uh, I'm sorry, I'm not going to pronounce your name. But I know who you I hope you know who you are, because yeah. So I'll just call you by your last name, Das. Okay. So তোমার তোমার যে introduction paragraphটা আছে, it's well written, however it's very long. Okay, একটা সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে there's too many details. You don't need to include the percentages. You don't need to include the 6 to 10% of 14-year-olds, 1 to 4% of 15 to 24-year-olds. Um, okay, you don't have to mention all of them. You can just mention population distribution between the age of 0 to 55 and above, or um, that's ওরকম করে you can mention, or you don't even have to mention each of the categories separately, কারণ তুমি পরে body paragraph এর মধ্যে mention করবা, right? So you don't need to write it like that. Okay, okay. Next, Deepanita, this chart shows us the decimation of populations in the population, not populations, in the UK and Australia by mentioning the age group of year 2000. Okay, by mentioning the age group of year 2000, এই particular লাইনটা দেখে শুনে মনে হচ্ছে that you're mentioning by mentioning the age group um, of year 2000 এর age groupটা mention করতেছো, but not um, let's say in the UK and Australia. Okay, so the sentence sounds a bit awkward. How it can be phrased is, this chart shows the decimation of populations in the UK and Australia during the 2000s by comparing various age groups. Okay, ওরকম করেও you can write your sentence, right? Okay. Next, Rimi, the bar illustrates the bar graph. You need to mention the bar graph illustrates the comparison of the percentage distribution of the population across 4 age groups in the UK and Australia in year 2000. Yes, okay, bar chart, you corrected yourself. Good. Sadman, the bar chart describes the distribution of the population in the UK and Australia in year 2000. Yes, sentence is correct, but once again, the টা capitalize হবে and 2000s এর পরে একটা period বসবে. Okay, all right, no problem, Aisha, if you're in your okay. The bar charts. Okay, it should be the bar chart, not charts. কারণ শুধু একটা chart দেওয়া আছে. There are multiple bars. Yes, there is 2 bars for each category, but it's just one chart. Okay, so the bar chart illustrates the proportions of the total population distributed across 4 age groups. Four groups. It should be 4 age groups, not 4 groups age. People in the United Kingdom and Australia in 2000. Okay, all right. Next, Asiku. This illustration shows the age distribution of the population in the UK and Australia. The blue indicates the UK while the red indicates Australia. Okay, that is correct. Okay, but in this picture, this is more orange than red, but that it should not be an issue. Okay, that is also a good way to write your introduction paragraph, just mentioning what the bars represent. Okay, all right. Ahlam. Okay, let's see. We privately pathay. So the bar graph elucidates us the percentage of people in different age groups in the UK and Australia in 2000. Both in UK and Australia, the highest percentage was in the group of 25 to 54, and the lowest percentage was in the group of 15 to 24. Okay, what I would tell you, Alam, is that tomar first je sentence আছে until 2000, that is a very good, in itself, that sentence is a very good introduction sentence. তোমার যে second sentence আছে, it's a very good overview paragraph sentence. Okay, so you can include that in your overview paragraph. Okay, just first part to তোমার introduction paragraph include করলে, that will be more than enough. Okay, so that is a lot of revisions. As you guys can see, there's various different types of examples suggested by your classmates. I hope that these revisions are helpful for you guys. We will be doing more revisions like these, more in-class practice like this during class. Okay, so now let's look at a well-written and a poorly written introduction for this particular prompt. Okay, here is the poorly written one, and here is the well-written one. Okay, what is a difference that you guys notice? What is a difference, or what is a similarity? Let's say, what is a difference? Yeah, not similarity, but what is a difference that you guys notice? Simplicity and clarity. Okay. What the concise and to the point answer of the second one? Yes, correct. Anything else that you guys notice? খুব বেশি detail করা যাবে না. Yes, খুব বেশি detailed করা যাবে না. That is true. That is true. Anything else? It is detailed with clear number. Yep. Okay. All right. So those good paraphrasing. Yes, good paraphrasing. Okay. So those are some, let's say, differences. Okay. One thing you need to notice once again is that, as one of your classmates suggested, that খুব বেশি detail করা যাবে না. Okay. And that the first one, the poorly written one, has a lot of statistics and numbers. Okay. এই যে statistics and এসব যে number গুলো আছে, এসব যে comparison গুলো আছে, you can, let's say, the biggest group and the smallest group. Okay, these comparisons you can do it in your overview paragraph. Okay, you can do that in your overview paragraph. This particular essay can be divided like that. And this essay, this sentence by itself can just be the introduction. Okay, in the introduction, you just need to mention what is the main categories that are being compared, কোন ধরনের ছবি দেওয়া আছে, and যদি yearটা mention করা থাকে, তাহলে you just mention the year. Okay, that is the difference between a poorly written and a well-written introduction. Okay, all right. So for today's class, we will keep it until that much. We won't do further essay breakdowns, karon, as I have mentioned, every single class we will do different types of different paragraph breakdowns. Okay, so আজকে ক্লাসের জন্য we are just mainly focusing on the introduction. Okay, and bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs. You guys can look into these further essays. Okay, এগুলো তোমরা দেখতে পারো if you guys have any questions, because reading sample essays is always helpful. And of course, তোমরা যদি কোনো mistakes পাও in these essays, do let me know in the writing channel itself. Okay, but that is all that I'm going to be keeping for today's class. Once again, you can find this document in your resource drive. Okay.